I'm Brittany of WTI, and no matter what you're doing, it's so good to be able to easily wash your hands at any moment. And the Secura automatic soap dispenser has really made that so convenient. The reason why I actually have preferred this one in comparison to the other ones I have gotten in the past, one, it is very easy to open from the top, a nice big opening to fill up the soap dispenser. The other thing I really like is how easy it is to turn it off. Because soap scum, things get splashed on it, it does get gunky after a while. So I love how it's just this little dial on the side. It even shows on, off, and then you can choose how sensitive you want it. If you want a lot of soap or a little soap to come out, it depends. I love that you have that control. It is so nice. You can fit so much soap into it. I love the size of it. And I also like how far the dispenser shoots out. The sensor is right next to the nozzle. It's super convenient. It really was so well designed to make sure it is as easy and convenient as possible. I think it is definitely a necessity in any home, but that's my point of view.